we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The sudden onset of aggression in a pet bird can also be an indicator that the bird is experiencing stress in its environment. Aggressive behaviors, such as biting, hissing, lunging, and excessive screaming, can manifest almost overnight.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.